publish a Cadasio presentation online, you're provided with a unique URL, which looks something like this. It can be broken into two sections. The ID of the project, which includes your unique identifier and the tag assigned to the project, and the domain, which you'll notice is instructions.online. Using the custom domain feature, you can have your presentations appear under your own web address, helping to reinforce your brand identity. To set this up, head over to the Settings and Customization area within the dashboard. Activate the custom domain option by toggling the switch, enter the domain you want to use, and click Save. It may take a minute or so, but you'll then receive a CNAME record. This is the key information you need to update in your DNS settings. Whilst each provider's setup may vary, you'll always need to input a name and value. Although you can add the record instantly, it may take some time for your DNS provider to update their records and for the CNAME changes to propagate. We'll automatically check for updates, and you can also manually check by clicking the refresh button. Once we detect the changes, you'll receive another CNAME record. You'll need to enter this as well, and again it may take some time for the changes to take effect. Once everything has been confirmed, your custom domain will be successfully set up. Now, instead of browsing to the default instructions.online URL, you can visit your own custom domain instead. Just remember that you'll still need the ID of the project to view it successfully. You have a couple of options to control how your custom domain functions. By default, both the original Instructions Online address and your new custom domain will work. This is particularly helpful if you have a lot of existing published projects whose links you've shared, allowing everything to stay intact. However, you can also choose to restrict access to your custom domain only, meaning that your projects will only be viewable through your custom domain, not the original instructions.online address. Lastly, let's talk about what happens if someone visits the root of your custom domain, so without the project ID. You have the option to redirect them to a specific URL, or display a showcase if you've got one created. And that's it, your custom domain is now fully set up and ready to go. Enjoy the flexibility and brand consistency it brings to your Cadasio presentations. Don't forget to follow us on all your favourite social media platforms.